How are you getting away with this?
Families, important missing, happens all the time.
How are you getting away with this?
Families, important missing, happens all the time.
How are you getting away with this?
Families, important missing, happens all the time.
ABC News had reported earlier on today that there have been 31 school shootings, Nick, since 1999, which was the Columbine school shooting. Clearly, so many lessons still left to learn from something like this. And it would almost seem, in the other school shootings, we have seen student shooters, students who have been angered, but whether they've been bullied or targeted for some reason, you can, and anger towards the student body, teachers for not looking after them. This, from what we have heard, and it is unconfirmed, that it at the hands of a parent.
Your evaluation here today, it's pretty simple. Ready? 3, 2, 1, mark. All of this happens in that room.
Initiating phase 1, all personnel vacate for incoming candidate.
These tapes do not exist. This room does not exist. Morning, everybody. Our little experiment concerns testing the nature and the limitations of the human psyche. Let's do it.
How are you getting away with this?
Families, important missing, happens all the time.
Please answer question.
What number do Americans choose most frequently between 1 and 33?
Sanctioned mind control was stopped 30 years ago because of civilian casualties.
Calm down! No!
There's a more effective way to reach your outcome.
Wait!
You're wasting my time. You don't have to start. I know the result.
We're each gonna pick the same number. It's gotta be sure. 7's fine.
If you have to terminate a candidate, you have to do it quickly.
7.
Recognized. Next casualty select. Security breach. KR-13 security breach. Secure all exits.
You gotta help me. You gotta help me. Please. Never forget that our enemies have someone just like you doing exactly the same thing.
Saddened by his assassination.
Well, sir, I don't think anybody here would deny that when you send your chickens out in the morning from your barnyard, those chickens will return that evening to your barnyard, not your neighbor's barnyard. I think this is a prime example of the devil's chickens coming back home to roost. That the chickens that he sent out, the violence that he's perpetrated in other countries, here and abroad, be it 4 children in Birmingham or Medgar Evers or Lumumba in Africa, I think this same violence has come back to claim one of them.
Only I said the chickens came home to roost, and which means the same thing. Climate of hate means that this is the result of something. And when I said chickens coming home to roost, I said the same thing.
And we're going to have to come together and take meaningful action to prevent more tragedies like this, regardless of the politics. And we're going to have to come together and take meaningful action to prevent more tragedies like this, regardless of the politics.
Only I said the chickens came home to roost, and which means the same thing. Climate of hate means that this is the result of something. And when I said chickens coming home to roost, I said the same thing.
Making progress in this country and worldwide?
No. I will never say that progress is being made. If you stick a knife in my back 9 inches and pull it out 6 inches, there's no progress. If you pull it all the way out, that's not progress. The progress is healing the wound that the blow made. And they haven't even begun to pull a knife out, much less try and heal the wound. They won't even admit the knife is there. 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 They won't even admit the knife is there.